Hi everyone, today we're reviewing two different old Nutribullets. One is the brand new one, this is the Ultra, and this is not the older model, but this is still being sold, the Nutribullet Pro. So in today's video, I'm going to go over both of these products, let you know my thoughts on them both, and kind of go over the hardware specifications of each one and the changes. So if you haven't already, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel so we create more videos for you all. And let's jump right into it. So we can see right here, this is the Nutribullet, and you can get this for around $80–90 out there right now at the moment of this video. You can see right here, this is the hardware specifications I'm going to go over in the next step. This is the Nutribullet Ultra. This is the newest one that Nutribullet has put out. You can see right here there's some big changes, one including the suction cups on the bottom. Let's go ahead and put it right here. There's no more indentation where stuff can get kind of lodged in there to clean up. Very smooth. In terms of the weight, they kind of both feel the same, I would say, in terms of weight wise. You can see big time here in terms of the interior. There's not really a hole here. If it does get wet, it will just kind of go off on the side, looks like it. Whereas with this one, you can see there's a little hole right there, and the hole will kind of let the liquids, if this kind of opens up or there's water in there, it will go down below. I like the newer one because engineering wise, I just don't like liquids or substances, especially juices and whatnot, to go in there. Over time, that will kind of clog up and cause issues. Let's go ahead and kind of turn it around here in terms of how it's designed, in terms of the airflow. You can see right here the airflow comes right there in the back, similar to this one, but this one's a little bit lower in terms of that.